हेलो बच्चों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल कंपोजर पर। मेरा नाम कोमल है। आई होप आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आपके एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन भी बहुत अच्छे से चल रही होगी, जिनके बोर्ड एग्जाम आने वाले हैं और जिनके एनुअल एग्जाम आने वाले हैं। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम कवर करने वाले हैं क्लास 9th के इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक से रिलेटेड जितने भी क्वेश्चन होते हैं, जितने भी आपके एग्जाम में आते हैं, उन सभी क्वेश्चंस को इसमें आज हम कवर करेंगे। इससे पहले वाली वीडियो में हमने जितना भी ग्रामर सेक्शन आता है, राइटिंग सेक्शन, उन सभी को हमने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में कवर कर लिया। आप चाहें तो वो वीडियोस जाके भी देख सकते हैं। अगर आपको इन क्वेश्चंस की पीडीएफ चाहिए तो आप सिंपल कंपोजर वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं। वहाँ पर आपको एक व्हाट्सअप नंबर शो हो रहा होगा, आप इस व्हाट्सअप नंबर पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं और वहाँ से पीडीएफ परचेज कर सकते हैं। तो ज़्यादा देर ना करते हुए हम हमारे आज के पहले क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अ टेली बुक इज? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टीचर डिड मार्गी एंड टॉमी हैव? सो इसका आंसर होगा, ए टेली बुक इज वन that moves on the screen of the television or computer. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They lived in the age of computers. Computers had replaced human teachers. अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। Why was Margie disappointed? Margie was disappointed because she had hoped that a country inspector would not be able to reassemble her mechanical teacher and she would not be required to study. But when the inspector successfully assembled it in about an hour, she was disappointed. अगला क्वेश्चन है, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? What subject did Margie and Tommy learn? So इसका आंसर होगा, once the history sector of Tommy's teacher had blanked out completely. It was taken away for nearly a month to be repaired. Margie and Tommy learned geography, history, arithmetic, etc. आपको जैसे ये जितने भी क्वेश्चन दिए जा रहे हैं, आप इनके अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिएगा, उनको लर्न कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि मैं सारे वीडियोस इसमें बोल के नहीं कवर करा सकती, क्योंकि वीडियो बहुत लॉन्ग हो जाएगी इस वजह से। तो पहले तो ये क्वेश्चन आंसर टाइप्स आपके एग्जाम में आते हैं क्वेश्चंस। बाकी आपको कोई भी चैप्टर दे देगा, उस चैप्टर का कोई भी आपको एक पैराग्राफ दे देंगे और आपको उस पैराग्राफ को पढ़ के आपको क्या करना होता है, उसके आंसर को लिखना होता है। जैसे कि ये वाला पैराग्राफ है, तो हमें ये वैसे पूरा पैराग्राफ दे रखा है। अब हमें इसमें से क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं और उसमें हमें 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं और हमें क्या करना है, हमें राइट ऑप्शन लिखना है। तो इस वीडियो में भी आप देख सकते हैं, आपको आंसर भी दे रखे साथ साथ में, तो आप इनको अच्छे से याद कर लीजिएगा। अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। Question, why was Pungi banned by Aurangzeb? What name was given to improved version of Pungi and why? So इसका आंसर होगा, Emperor Aurangzeb did not like the sound of Pungi. He found it shrill and unpleasant. Therefore, he decided to ban its use. The improved version of Pungi was called Shehnai. It was named so because the instrument was made by Nai Barber and was first played in the Shah's Emperor chamber. So Shehnai is a word coined by join the two word Shah and Nai. अगले क्वेश्चन में चलता है। Why was Banaras so important to Bismillah Khan? So इसका आंसर होगा, Bismillah Khan came to Banaras at the age of 6. Banaras remained a part of Bismillah Khan's life. Banaras offered him more than he wished. He was exceedingly fond of Banaras and it remained for him the most wonderful town in the world. He was so fond of the Ganga at Banaras that he could not live without it. Okay, अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। Why was Kezia afraid of her father? So इसका सिंपल आंसर, Kezia was a little girl. She was afraid of her father because he was very strict. He never played with her and always ordered her about. He never showed his affection toward her and punished her for her follies. अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। How did Kezia's grandmother console her after her father had beaten her up? So इसका आंसर होगा, Kezia's grandmother wrapped her up in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair. Kezia clung to her soft body. She consoled her and tried to put her to sleep. अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। व्हाट डी आइंस्टाइंस हेडमास्टर टोल्ड हिज फादर। सो इसका आंसर होगा द हेडमास्टर डिड नॉट लाइक आइंस्टाइन, ही थॉट दैट आइंस्टाइन वॉज अ स्टूपिड बॉय। Once he told his father that whatever profession he chose, he would never make a success in his life. He thought that Einstein incapable of achieving anything in life. तो आइंस्टाइन चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जितने भी ये क्वेश्चन है आप इनको अच्छे से लर्न कर लीजिएगा। हम चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डिड द नरेटर डू फॉर हिज लिवलीहुड, व्हाट वाज हिज कंडीशन लाइक इन द बिगनिंग। तो इसका आंसर होगा द नरेटर वाज अ होम्योपैथिक डॉक्टर इन द बिगनिंग, हिज अर्निंग वर मच, ही हैड been able to save only 60 rupees, he had some shirts and dhotis, he only had one black coat, he was forced to live in a small rented room which was not even electrified। अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। अगला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ डिड यंग कलाम लीड। तो इसका अंदर अब्दुल कलाम फादर वॉज अ वाइज एंड अ लार्ज हार्टेड पर्सन, he looked after the family well, he provided all necessities like food, medicine and clothes to his family, but discouraged the use of inessential comforts and luxuries. So Abdul Kalam had a very secure childhood both materially and emotionally। अगला क्वेश्चन है how did Abdul Kalam earn his first wage, how did he felt at that time, explain। तो इसका आंसर होगा when India was forced to join the allied forces in the second world war, a state of emergency was declared, the train halt at Rameshwaram station was suspended, the newspaper now had to be bundled and thrown out of the moving train। Abdul Kalam's cousin Samsuddin was the distributor of newspaper in Rameshwaram, he appointed Abdul Kalam to help him। Abdul Kalam collected the throne bundle for him, Samsuddin gave him some money for his service, thus Abdul Kalam earned his first wage। He was proud of earning his first wage because he was able to help his family at a time when he was very young। अगले क्वेश्चंस पे चलते हैं। Why was the holy man surprised when the blessing for a girl child was requested? So इसका सिंपल आंसर होगा यूजुअली द बर्थ ऑफ अ सन was regarded as a blessing in the society in which Santosh was born, but Santosh's grandmother told the holy man that they did not wanted son। She asked him to bless Santosh's mother with the birth of a girl, this surprised the holy man greatly। अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है डिस्क्राइब द एटमोस्फेयर एज पशुपति नाथ। So the atmosphere at Pashupatinath is confusing and feverish. There exists a situation of febrile confusion. The priest, hawkers, tourists, and animals roam around. Devotees push one another to offer their prayer to the Lord। अगला क्वेश्चन है तो जैसे आपको ये लॉन्ग टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर दे रखे होते हैं 100 to 120 वर्ड्स में, तो आपको ऐसा ही है कि सेम टू सेम ऐसे ही जैसा कि वीडियो में दिखाया जा रहा है आपको सेम ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस के आंसर लिख के आने, रट्टा मारना है नहीं। आपको क्या करना है, अपना क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है, फिर आपको जो आपका लॉन्ग आंसर या शॉर्ट जो भी आंसर दे रखा है, आपको वो अच्छे से 2-3 बार पढ़ना है, रिवाइज़ करना है, पढ़ना है, रिवाइज़ करना है, फिर इसको लिख के देखना है ताकि आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में आ जाए और आप चाहें तो अपने शब्दों में भी इसको लिख के आ सकते हैं आंसर को। बस आपका आंसर जो होना चाहिए वो क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग राइट होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। व्हाई डज़ द पोएट वांट टू wind to blow gently? So the poet wants the wind to blow gently so that the window shutter are not broken, the paper are not scattered, and the book are not thrown off the shelves. Why is the wind called cleaver? So इसका आंसर होगा the wind is called cleaver because it makes fun of weak persons and things. It destroys weak houses, weak doors, and weak bodies. It is because it wants us to build a strong home, strong doors, and a strong body. सो आपका जैसे पोइट्री सेक्शन में क्या देगा, कोई भी एक पोइट्री से उठा के एक पोएम से आपको कोई भी एक पैराग्राफ दे दिया जाएगा और आपको उस पैराग्राफ से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन दे दिए जाएंगे, आपको उनके क्या करने होंगे, आंसर लिखने होंगे। तो नेक्स्ट है, व्हेन डज द पोएट रिमेंबर हिज मदर, व्हाट डज दिस शो? एंड ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं कि हाउ कैन यू से दैट द पोएट लव्ड हिज मदर? सो इसका सिंपल आंसर होगा द पोएट रिमेंबर हिज मदर व्हेन ही लिसन टू द साउंड ऑफ द रेनड्रॉप फॉलिंग ऑन द roof of his little cottage. He remembers how his mother used to gaze lovingly at them before going to sleep. This shows that the poet greatly loved his mother. अगला क्वेश्चन है होगा, why do the children of Northland look like bears cubes? Sorry, cubs. तो इसका आंसर होगा Northland lies near the North Pole where the land is covered with snow. The children have to wear funny and furry clothes to protect themselves from the extreme cold. In these clothes, they looks like bears cubs. अगला क्वेश्चन है, explain in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. तो इसका आंसर, द पोएट वांट्स टू से दैट पीपल अक्रॉस नेशंस हैव lines on their hands. These lines are made by hard work that we do to earn her living. By saying these lines, the poet wants to convey the fact that no one across the world can sustain himself without hard work. It is a common factor which bound us together. अगला क्वेश्चन है, when do we defile the earth? So इसका, we defile the earth when we take up arms against each other. That is during the period of war. Earth is ruined through war, hatred, and explanation of any kind. अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डिड टोटो केम टू ग्रैंडफादर्स प्राइवेट जू? सो इसका आंसर होगा, ग्रैंडफादर्स bought टोटो फ्रॉम अ टोंगा ड्राइवर फॉर द sum of 5 rupees. These टोंगा ड्राइवर used to keep Toto tied to a feeding throw. Toto looked so out of place there, the grandfather decided to add him to his private zoo. अगला क्वेश्चन, why does the author say that Ishwaran seemed to more than make up for the absence of a TV in Mahindra living quarter? So इसका आंसर होगा, Ishwaran told stories to Mahinder which never failed to entertain him. These stories contained elements of suspense and surprise. He served as a pastime for Mahinder. Therefore, the author says that he seemed to more than make up for the absence of a TV in Mahindra's living quarters. अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, Why did the narrator break down in tear after the fire? So इसका आंसर होगा when the fire was finally out, the narrator house was almost completely burned down. Then it struck him that he had not seen his cat, then all the ones he remembered about his losses, his old school, the fire, his house, and his cat. He broke down in tears and cried bitterly. अगला क्वेश्चन, how does narrator loneliness vanish and how does he start participating in life? So इसका आंसर होगा the narrator faces on tragedy after the other. First he had to change his school, then his house is burned down and he loses his pet cat. All this makes him lonely and withdraw. Then one day the people at his school planned a surprise for him. When he entered the gym room, he found a big table which was filled with school supplies, notebooks, jeans tops, and sweatshirts. The student had collected money and bought the things which the narrator needed. People who had never spoken to him because came forward to introduce themselves and invited him over. Their genuine outpouring of concern touched the narrator and he felt his loneliness vanish. He started participating in life again. अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. सो हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा, व्हाट डिड सर्गी कॉल लश्कॉफ हिज गॉडसन? तो इसका आंसर होगा सर्गी कॉल लश्कॉफ हिज गॉडसन इन अ सेंस that he had put him on the right path of life. He told him that before he met him, he had been telling lie after lies and not working. He rebuked him and threatened to call the police. Lashkov then promised to work. Sergei regularly gave him work and also sent him to his friend to do some copying work. Lashkov himself admits that Sergei's protection had helped him to come out of a pit. So इसका ही हम लॉन्ग आंसर देखते हैं एक, और ये हमारे वीडियो का लास्ट क्वेश्चन रहने वाला है. इसमें हाउ डिड सर्गी हेल्प लश्कॉफ टू लिव लाइफ रिस्पेक्टफुली? तो व्हेन सर्गी फर्स्ट मीट लश्कॉफ, ही वाज अ बेगर. he used to lie people and beg for money. Sergei offered him work as a woodcutter. Lashkov came to his house and was paid half a ruble for chopping wood. Sergei asked him to come back on the first of the next month for more work. Lashkov came back on the first of the next month and was again paid half a ruble for chopping woods. After that, he often come back for a number of odd jobs. He was also called for packing when Sergei was changing his house. Sergei was pleased to see that he was sober and gave him a letter addressed to his friend asking him to give Lashkov some copying work. After that, Sergei met Lashkov after 2 years, by which time Lashkov had become a notary. So it can be said that Sergei helped Lashkov to live respectfully. सो आपके टेक्स्ट बुक से रिलेटेड जितने भी क्वेश्चन थे वो इस वीडियो में कवर हो चुके हैं. आप चाहे तो वीडियो से पढ़ सकते हैं. नहीं तो आप हमारी पीडीएफ भी परचेज़ कर सकते हैं। कंपोज़र वेबसाइट पे जाके सिंपल आपको एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर शो हो रहा होगा, इस पे आप मैसेज कर सकते हैं और परचेज़ कर सकते हैं पीडीएफ। बाकी अगर वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। तब तक मेहनत करते रहिए, पढ़ते रहिए। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ में।